Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I will show you how to convert your PDF files, your documents and stuff to JPG. So guys, this is very simple. You can just use online services like this website, for example, to upload your PDF and instantly convert it into the desired extension. In our case, it's going to be JPG, which is a image file extension. So you just drag and drop or just select the file that you wish to convert. Or also you can use Canva, for example. As you can see, we have a free PDF to JPG converter. So you can use this one to convert your files. And also additionally, you can just type in Canva in the search of your Microsoft Store. And as you can see, you can just install it onto your computer and use it locally if you wish. So that's pretty much how it's done, guys. Hopefully you enjoy and this helped. Press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon.